7 tips to help students boost memory power. Memory is pivotal for academic success, and these expert tips ensure students can enhance it effectively. Number 1. Proper sleep and rest. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of nightly sleep supports memory, consolidation, and effective information process. Number 2. Healthy diet and hydration. Consume nutrient-rich foods high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants coupled with staying hydrated to support optimal brain health. Number 3. Regular exercise routine. Engage in a routine of physical effectively to boost blood flow to brain, enhancing cognitive function and memory. Number 4. Active learning techniques. Shift from passive to active learning methods such as summarizing information or teaching concepts for improved memory retention. Number 5. Organized study environment. A clutter-free, organized study space minimizes distractions, aiding focused study sessions and enhancing memory. Number 6. Mental associations and visualizations. Create mental associations and visualization like mind maps to reinforce memory, recall, and understanding. Number 7. Frequent revision and practice. Regularly revising and incorporating practice tests into study routines using spaced repetition techniques solidify memory and improve retention. Follow these 7 tips to boost your memory power: proper sleep and rest, healthy diet and hydration, regular exercise routine, active learning techniques, organized study environment, mental associations and visualizations, frequent revision and practice,